This video will show how to write the CSS for every class. First, coming from cover. This is our files. I'm opening two windows. I'm going back. Back means just double click here. Otherwise, you can use space here also. So I'm using styles folder. Off title. Here I'm opening off title. Cover is completed now. Next off title. So this is off title now. Text. So dot HLF title. So open here. Open here. Text align is center. So text align center. Refresh. Does not apply. Why? Because you are not mentioned here our CSS file. That's why. One more option is in epsilon. So you can replace all the files in same text. Means you can replace this type of text in all the files. Suppose off title file has without reference of style sheet. Title file also same, no reference. Acknowledgement files also same, no reference. So I want to replace all with same like this. Means you can use a command like using query replacement. Means file query replace. Whenever I am using alt or it is showing query replace string only. Now this means it will replace the string in a particular single file only, but current file only, means current file only. But now I want replace in all the files. Means we have to use Shift F7. Press Shift F7. It will show file query replace string. So it will search the every file for this string and press enter. Replace with double slash by style sheet dot CSS. Okay, same like styles by style sheet dot CSS. And press enter, and it is asking the path. So if you want to use the current path, press Ctrl S. It will show the current path. See users DGRaju desktop software EPUB to XHTML. Same means I want every file. Means file name must be anything. Means star means anything, no? In regular expression. Dot extension should be any extension. Otherwise you can use XHTML also. I am using star only. So star dot star means in XHTML folder. In XHTML folder, all the files. Okay. I'm pressing enter. It is showing first search. I'm pressing shift 1 for replace all. It is asking replace without asking in remain files. Yes. So replaced 8 of 8 matched in 8 of 11 files. So it has 11 files and it was searched in 11 files and found in 8 files and replaced in 8 files. Okay. Control X, press single S. It will show 8 files saved. Now I am refresh here. Yeah, it came center. But font size is different, huh? So I'm using font size 200%. Okay, and it is giving spaces, but it does not have any spaces between the lines now. Now I am using. You can increase the font. I think so. 200 is not enough. Oh, 400 is large. I think so. 250 is enough. Yeah. No need for margin top bottom lines now. So margin top 0 em means m space. I'm pasting it. Margin bottom also 0. Same like that. Okay. Actually font is different, but present we don't have that type of font. That's why I'm using normal font times New Roman font. But I can give some style. Why? Because it has sans serif means, but it is serif font means it has some extra curves is there for P, for T, but here there is no curves now. That's why I'm using font family sans serif like this. So app title is completed. Next, title page. I told you now we can use it is also same showing like that. No, I'm removing this. It is also showing same like that. Same font, same size, same like that. Okay, that's fine. I'm removing this. Okay, right. Now title. I'm copying this. Why? Because title page also have first same like title information. Now I'm going there. Press title. This one is okay, but somewhat slightly low font. Yeah. After that, other means these two means title 1, title 2. Dot title 1. I'm copying same total from here to here. Font size is different. Just I'm using 120 only. F5. Right. Same. I'm copying the same total thing. Just I'm replacing this, and I'm using 140 font size. Why? Because this one is low, this one is high font size, but there is no top space, so I'm removing margin top 0. Okay. Next, this one means title 3. I'm copying same title 3. Margin top means 2. Low font means 110. Remaining all are same. Right. Next, this thing 4. Copy paste. I'm pasting again 4. It is 100 font size. Top 3. You can use I think so 5 for better. So 7 also better I think so. I'm copying this and paste it again for Washington means title 5. Same font size. But top means here there is very slightly only one is enough. Okay. So title page is completed. I think so we can use 250, no problem. Okay. Title page is completed. Next, copyright. It will take so much time I think so. Okay. Just write one class for any particular front matter. Just you can use copy paste. Okay. First you have to know which property will change which thing. Okay, so copy 1 to copy 10, we have to use 10 plus 1, 11 properties. First I'm using copy, from that I can use remaining all the things. Paste, but here I am removing font family. Copyright always has 80% font only. Okay, and it has margin top space, so much top space is there, so I'm using margin top 3, right? That is enough. I will change it later. Next, these two also center same, so copy, paste, 1 2 also same now. Refresh, but top 3 is highly, 1 is enough, right? Next, central means 3, so 3, text align left, margin top 1 is enough, no? Yes. Margin bottom 0, text indent -1. Why? Because it is coming forward from the normal text. Actually N, S, G is the same format. C is coming out of this, no? That's why. And margin left has so much things, so I have to use margin left 5 em. It was missing, I think so. That's why I'm using margin left 5 em. It needs more, I think so. Can use like this, half of the window. That is enough. After that, we paste text and left. So for 4, I am using positive indent value, but margin top is 0 is enough. Why? Because there is no gap. Okay. After that, 5. So no need to use text indent. That is enough. It will come like that, right? This is better, I think so. Why? Because EI is equal to J. Include ISBN is equal to E. So after of the first letter. That's why. After of the first letter P, these are all equal, no? That's why. Okay. Next, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6 is for one point is missing. That one is this one. This is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Why? Because this paragraph has indent. 6. 6 em. Margin left. That is enough. Right. No. 0. No. This is enough, I think so. Right. Next, H, these two are same, means 7. I'm using 7. First refresh and save it. Next we will modify. So margin left 0 is enough, I think so. Equal to P, right. So you can use this thing also 7. Right. Next 9 means, sorry, 8 only. 9, 10. No. 8. Text line should be right. And this is equal to this now. So margin top in minus. -1. That is enough. It will go automatically top. Okay. Enough. And it is in center now. That's why I'm using these files. Space value. Okay. Like. Next, center. Copy 9. Text align is in center. Font size in same. But no need text indent. This the margin top is 4em. Why? Because it has top space na. Right. Next, same top space, same center, same class, I think so. Same is enough. 9. Right. So copyright is completed. Okay. Next, forward. Go to forward. Forward. So this is FM title. So I'm using dot FM title. This text, first font size is important. 1 minute. I'm opening, going back, opening forward. Font size 150% is enough, and it has border. Border means it will give the top line, bottom lines. Okay, border top 1 pixel means 1 line space with solid black color. But you have to mention the color in hexadecimal value. Hash 000000 means black. Border top, border bottom also have the same thing. Same like that, okay? And I'm using one thing in the top of the A means A tag. It does not have, I don't want any underline for this. So text decoration none means it will remove this underline. Right. Okay. Now I'm going down. Font size 150 is not enough. 180. Right. And text align is right now. Text align is right. Why? Because this is in right side. And the font family is different. Sans serif. So font family sans serif. Both are same or not? No. 150 is enough. I think so. 140 is enough. 150 is better. 140 is enough. And same font size, but we need top bottom space for for the lines. So you can use padding top for 0.5 em, copy, and padding paste, padding bottom. No, actually it is high, no? 3 is enough, I think so. 0.3 em is enough. Okay, both are same. Now indents or no indents. Dot indent text align. Text align is justified. It is not left and not right. Okay, it is in justification. That's why use justify and font size in normal 100%, and it has text indent 1 em. Why? Because it has indentation this space, and normal margin top 0, margin bottom 0. Enough, I think so. Okay, right. But justify is not came, no? Justify semicolon. Right. Okay. Justify. Next forward one for this thing. So I think so I have to use different paragraphs for this. Why? Because all are in center alignment. Paste. To copy. Dot paste. Now text align. Center. Margin left. It has to go to some right side, na? It has to go some right side. So margin left 6 em. Margin right, otherwise 1 em. You can use text align right. Don't use margin left. Use margin right. 3 em. Margin top 2 em. Shit, I'm closing the thing. I'm opening again. Okay, right, okay. These two also is same, but margin top 0 is enough. So we have to use margin bottom also. Margin bottom 0 em. Copy, paste for in forward 2 also. Right? But margin right somewhat different. 3.5, 4, you can use 3, you can use 3 here also. Right. So margin right 3 is enough, not enough. 2.5 is okay. Right. Now see, both are same, but Michael Camnus is not in bold. I am removing it. Right, now perfectly all right. Okay, the 3.5 right. So forward is completed. Next, acknowledgement. Going back, ACK. So I have already given same class now, that's why it is showing. This is also init also completed. So this one is pending. So I have to use ACK ACK1. I am copying forward one and renaming it ACK. Text align right. Margin right is, I think so, there is no margin right. So 0. Finish. And there is no bold for this time. I am removing it. Right. So acknowledgement also completed, and there is bottom space is missing now after FM title. That's why I'm giving FM title. In that I am using margin bottom 2em. Right. Okay. Next, contents. I'm going back using contents. It is came, but this one is different now. So this one is different. So I'm using classes for that. TOC. Going to TOC. Dot TOCF. Text align left. Margin top 1em. Margin bottom 0. Okay. No modifications. And part 1 is in center. So TOCP in center. Right. Next, this one is in left and same as this, same as chapter, same as front matter. And what is the difference? So I can use margin bottom 0, same no. So I can use here F also, no need to write C. I'm turning this thing into A. Margin left 1em for other. There is no top space for other. I can give more space here also, like 1% asx 0080 semicolon. It is giving spaces. I have given 5-6 times. I can use like this. Otherwise, I can use a span class also. Span class equal to self plus space. Here for that, I can write SPSE space class margin left 1em. I can use in both ways. Okay. Right. Index is also same F. Correct. So TOC is completed. Next part 1. Only 2 classes I think so. Yes. Dot part. This is same like as our FM title, but a slight different is there. I will change it. but one break after and, right, and the margin right should be some distance. Oh, so no need to use margin right, we have to use padding right. Why? Because that part should be going after the text. Part one means minute same text align right, and font size should be more than that. Yeah, more than and bold also. So you can use bold tag here, otherwise you can use a style for font weight bold. Right. I want same font family and italic also is there. Font variant italic, sorry, font style. Okay, italic also is came. Next we have to top that thing. Before that I am using 5 margin right. Here margin top, 1 minute. Here margin bottom 2 em minus 2 em. Finish. But I think so 4 is enough. Same now. So part is completed. Next chapter. I think so chapter also have same like that. First we will check part 1. If it is applying correctly, some difference is there. So I'm again copy paste this, renaming same like that. Part means chap title, part 1 means chap name. I'm renaming it, and here 1 is enough. Here font size 200. Margin top minus 1.5 is enough. 2. Can use more also. There is no italic. And there is no, can use 400 font size also. I'm using only 1.2. That is enough. Okay. Right. Next remaining things. Chap other. Dot chap other. Text align center. Margin top 1 em. Margin bottom 3 em. Oh, margin bottom I think so. Margin top. Why? What is it? 1 minute. I'm inspecting this. Right click, inspect element. reference margin bottom 0 because of font size it is showing like this. Then we have to use margin top minus minus 2m. You can use more 0.2 also, and font size should be more than normal font. 100 is normal, so I am giving 130. So margin top 3 is enough. 2.7 is enough. Next, introduction. Same like that. That's why I'm copying, paste, SCC1, text and center, margin top 0 means 1, bottom 1, font size 130. Same, right. Remaining also same, so no need to worry about this. And table. I will change the table style later. First I have to go to section 2 for this. Section 2 also same, but aligning left side. Font weight should be bold. Okay, I think so 120 is enough. It should be good. Next, yeah, it is good. It's also good. Next, references. References, no? Dot ref. Same like as no indent. Sorry, indent. I am copying total indent values. Font size should be lower than the normal font. Text indent is -1. Why? Because text is came out from this. So margin left is 2m. Okay. Margin left is 1 means, sorry, I can use 2 here. So same equal, same equal, same, right. So now I can use these two. And footnotes is different. Where is the footnote? Where is it? Where is it? Yeah, here. Same indent, but font size is different. I copied same indent dot footnote. Font size is 90%. Okay. Right. Now I am giving the links. Okay. Giving the links for footnotes. Actually, before I forgot those things. Same file. No? So a space href id. Same I am copying here. ID is footnote 1, here footnote 2. Calling is in same HTML file, that's why I'm using hash reverse footnote 1 hash reverse footnote 2. Now I'm copying this. I'm going to search that superscript, Control S, SUP. Yeah, this one is for superscript 1. Or FN1 is ID. FN1 is hash reference. Why? Because why I'm transferring those two is, I will repeat it again. Paste, close. Just I mentioned this is the ID where that is href. This is href where there is ID. So means when I am clicking this superscript 2, it will search, is there any ID with FN2? Yeah, yes, this one. When I am clicking this, is there any ID with RFN2? Yes, there is here. It will search like this. 1 minute I will show you. I am refreshing it. Now I am clicking here. It will go here. When I am clicking here, it will come here. Okay? Forward calling, reverse calling. But we need some difference between the references and footnotes. That's why I have to give some space. I am giving separate footnote class. Footnote 1 means it has margin of 2. Yeah, there is a difference now. Okay? So all are completed because remaining small things is there. Small things means table and this remaining all are same. Num list. So I am searching here num list. This is the class. I have to write dot num list. I am copying from footnote. Font size is same 100%. Num list 1 also. Present I am copying same the thing. Yeah, but it is equal to like this. But here, okay. So text indent should be in negative. Text indent should be in negative. Okay. -1. Right. Margin left should be in positive. So margin left should be in same value. Okay. Suppose here I am using margin left 1.5. I have to use here 1.5. Right. Okay. Here minus 1.5. But actually here yet is, see here it is positive number, so we have to use positive number. Means I am removing this. Okay. Now both are sum, but don't need 1.5. 1 is enough, I think so. Right. Finish. Table is pending. Table. So I'm going to table. Table title dot table title. Text align is in center. Font weight bold, means it is in bold. I'm refreshing it. Right. Font family is indifferent, so font family sans serif. Right. Next, margin top is some space is there. So margin top 1 em. Table subtitle. There is no bold. I'm removing bold. Right. Here I'm using margin bottom 0. Otherwise it will show bottom space. Sorry, margin bottom. Margin top 0. Okay. Right. Now table should be with 100% width. So dot table, why? Because I have used class, otherwise I can write my table. You may be confused. My table width 100%. Okay, width is 100%. Now in between the table there is no need for space bottom and top. Okay. In dot my table space p paragraphs is there, space td, in that td means td tag is there, in that paragraphs is there. For that, margin top 0, margin bottom 0. Okay. Right. Okay. Now we want underlines. How many TRs is there? First we have to count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 columns is there. Now I am making one TR. In that it has one TD with column span 5. In that one HR is there. Space class equal to line. I am refreshing it. Yeah, line is came. I am writing a class for that line. Dot line. It should be border 1 pixel, solid black color, and margin top, margin bottom also should be 0. Right. I am using the same tier after, so before Bulgaria means here. Right. Next, after closing the table, sorry, before closing the, so lines is came. After that, this one is, you need underline. That's why GNP industrial thing. 1 minute. Yeah. For these two, we need HR, one line. For that, what we have to do is, write a class for line dot for line, sorry, border bottom 1 pixel, solid black, padding bottom with 0.2 em. We need space now. Right, it came. Same like you have to use the same class here also. Problem solved. But GNP industrial productions is in center alignment. That's why text align center. Finish now. So we have to use padding. For TD, I am writing padding. Padding left, right only. Padding left 0.5 em. Padding right 0.5 em. That is enough. Okay. I am increasing this size, otherwise right. Okay. Same like as the table. And now these footnotes. Which class we have given for that? TB footnote. Dot TB footnote. Margin left 1 em. Font size smaller than normal text. Yeah. No. Same size, but it is in another family. Means sans serif. Margin top 0, margin bottom 0. So I think so I have to use 90%. This is better. Margin left is 2 em. Okay. Same like that. Now 2 triple dots is missing. 1 I have given, 2 I have given. Right. So this is the creating CSS for total thing based on the PDF. Okay. Next we will check it out. Image cropping.